Welcome back, everybody. Now we will discuss something more about the distribution channel management. First of all, we will discuss the structure of the distribution channel system. Mainly, there are three levels in the structure of the distribution channel, that is, direct channel, indirect channel, hybrid or mixed channel. Direct channel. With the direct channel, the company sells directly to the customers. The seller delivers the product or services directly to the customers. An indirect channel uses multiple distribution partners of intermediaries to distribute goods and services from the seller to customer that provides product to channel partners, which in turn package goods for the end customers. Hybrid or mixed channel. Hybrid channel combines the characteristics of direct and indirect channel. The seller uses both direct and indirect methods. Now we will discuss about the levels of the distribution channels. There are four main levels of the marketing channel. Very first is the direct distribution channel, which is also known as zero level channel. In zero level channel, there is no intermediary in between the producer and the final consumer. Second one is the one level channel, in which there is one intermediary in between the producer and the consumer. In two level channel, there are two intermediaries in between the producer and the customer. The fourth one is the three level channel, in which there are three intermediaries in between the producer and the customer. Now we will discuss about the segmentation in distribution. There are three main segments in distribution channel. They are buying power, profitability, and cost to serve. Buying power can be defined as a combination of data such as sales revenue, unique items, and special orders. The more of those behaviors they exhibit, the higher their buying power. Second one is the profitability. Another that it includes how profitable is the customer and how they derive profit. The third one is the cost to serve. The third key customer behavior segmentation is cost to serve. For customer present, cost to serve. Now we will discuss about the channel conflict. Channel conflict is a situation in which channel partners have to compete against one another or a vendor's internal sales department. Channel conflict described as the issue that arises between two or more parties within a business agreement, such as a retailer and a distribution. Now we'll discuss about types of channel conflicts. The different type of channel conflicts are, very first is the vertical level conflict. A vertical level conflict represents a conflict between two parties at different levels in the distribution chain. Second one is the horizontal conflict. Horizontal conflict is a conflict between two partners who operate at the same level in the distribution chain. The third one is the multi-channel conflict. A multi-channel conflict occurs when two or more channels of the same manufacturers compete in the same market and sell the same product at different prices. These are some of the causes of the channel conflicts. Very first is the different goals. When the manufacturer and its partner don't have aligned goals, each of them operate with different objectives in mind, creating a channel conflict. Second one is the role ambiguity. If a certain partner's role isn't properly determined and understood by other partners, channel conflict may occur. Next one is the different marketing or strategic approaches. If two partners who sell the same product promise it in different ways, it can cause channel conflict by creating different customer perceptions of the same product. Resistance to change. Another potential cause of channel conflict is one party's resistance to the change another partner wants to make with the sale of the distribution of products. Different views of the market. When the manufacturer has a certain view regarding the potential market for its goals or services and how to capture that market, it may differ from that of its distributors. Now we will discuss about how to manage channel conflict. We can manage channel conflict by establishing a minimum advertised rate, reducing distribution channel, control your supply chain, and strengthen your brand by offering exclusive products. These are some of the tips of preventing channel conflict, that is, negotiate effective contracts, establish a trial period, create clear communication practices. Now we will discuss about channel power. What is channel power? Definition of channel power is the channel power refers to the ability of any one channel member to alter or modify the behavior of other member in the distribution channel due to its relatively strong position in the market. Generally, the manufacturers are seen dominating the behavior of other channel partners and influencing their actions according to its requirement. These are some of the types of the channel power, that is coercive power, referred power, expert power, legitimate power, and reward power. Legitimate power. Here the manufacturer reminds the channel partner to carry out their activities in accordance with the contract they have entered into at the time they became the channel partners. Second one is the expert power. The manufacturer has the expertise that he transferred to the channel partner, and since they acquire it, the power of expertise reduces. This the manufacturer should focus on creating the new expertise, thereby keeping the channel partner updated with the day-to-day operations. Third one is the referent power. The manufacturer should develop its image in such a way that the intermediaries must feel proud of the associate with it. The manufacturer with the influential image can get varied options with regard to the intermediaries, may not like to get associated with it because they might spoil the market image. Next one is the coercive power. The manufacturer threatens to terminate the relationship with other channel partners or withdraw the resources deployed with them. In reward power, the manufacturer provides several additional benefits to the intermediaries with the attention to motivate them to perform certain activities as required. Thank you. That's all for this session.